$3.70. An absolute complete fail. And it's a crap show. I'm just gonna be honest with you, it's a crap show. Alrighty, the Chipotle $4 burrito hack. Let's go. Let's show you how you do this. All right, you're gonna go into the Chipotle app. If you don't have an account, just sign in, sign up, and you're gonna go down from the main menu right here, bottom left main menu. You're gonna go down to tacos, and you're gonna go ahead and hit tacos. So we're gonna go ahead and hit tacos, and you have right here, you have a choice of 3 tacos or 1 taco. We're gonna switch it over to 1 taco, and we're gonna keep that soft flour tortilla. For the taco, you can do crispy corn tortilla if you want. Now, heading down to, you're gonna scroll down. This is where you gotta be careful with your meat because it will be over $4. But since we're doing the $4 viral hack, you can get chicken, you can get sofritas if you want because it's the same price. Carnitas, not too bad, only 20 cents more. I'll leave that up to you. I'm gonna go ahead and choose chicken. Then we scroll down and you can do whatever rice you want. I'm gonna try white rice. Typically I get brown rice, I'm gonna try white rice. I'm also gonna get black beans. I'm pretty sure you can get more rice if you really wanted to. It says included toppings, but they might give you half the portion if you get white rice, brown rice. Not exactly sure on that one. We are gonna get roasted chili corn salsa, and we're gonna add fresh tomato salsa on top of that as well. We're not gonna do any sour cream. We like healthier. I'm getting done with a 2-hour surf session, so sky's the limit. I'm gonna add fajita veggies. No cheese for me. You can add cheese if you want, and I'm gonna add romaine lettuce. So as I try to add romaine lettuce, it looks like you can only do 5 toppings, so keep that in mind. So any of these, you can do 5. So I'm doing white rice, black beans, fresh tomato salsa, roasted chili corn salsa, and fajita veggies. Coming down here, we're gonna skip that. We don't wanna add any more to our order because again, this is the viral $4 Chipotle burrito. But as you scroll down, single sides down here below guacamole, you're gonna see a tortilla on the side. We're gonna add that for 50 cents. We're gonna scroll down, skip all this other nonsense. Don't drink this junk, drink water. And we're gonna add the bag. Instead of Chris B, I'm gonna go ahead and label it Chris's $4 burrito. Burrito. That's not how you spell burrito. Chris's $4, I don't have enough space to write burrito. I'm gonna go ahead and hit okay. No special characteristics allowed. Chris, $4. Give me the emoji burrito at least. There we go. There we go. Chris $4 burrito. Let's see if they'll give me that one. No. That's not allowed. Chris $4. I'm just going to call it for Chris $4. No special characteristics. What, a number is $4? There we go. Chris $4 burrito. Not even fully spelled out. Chris $4 burrito. $3.70. You can look over your order right there. You can edit. You can duplicate it. And we have $4.01 after tax. You even can add a promo code if you really want to. Include napkin and utensils. Nah, I don't need any of that. We'll save some paper and some plastic. Eat with stainless steel. Continue the payment. I'll be back with you when I get home with this sucker. All right, it says 9:20 p.m. That's 9 minutes from now. Let's go in. Let's go to the bathroom. Let's grab our order. It'll probably be ready earlier than that. You got your little pickup status down below. I'm starving. Probably should have gone to charge my truck while I waited for this, but sky's the limit. Let's go. All right, let's see if this is worth it. Doesn't feel as heavy as it should, so let's see what's going on. Tortilla was folded up, which, I mean, luckily it didn't tear, but that thing was really crumpled up in there. Still nice and hot. Let's see what we got in here. And that is a complete fail because they didn't put everything on the side. They didn't even do it right. There's no chicken in here. It's a taco. There's no corn salsa. There's nothing in here. It's a tortilla, black beans, rice, tomato salsa. There's no corn, there's no chicken. What in the world? Yeah, that was a fail. We're gonna have to try that again. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was an absolute complete fail with the burrito, $4 burrito. So good news is within the app, it was super simple. And if you ever have a fail at Chipotle, go through your app, especially if you're already home, and let me show you what's going on here. So anyway, let me go ahead and click on this. I don't really care about the location of it. I'm just traveling, so it doesn't really matter. So we have right here, again, $4.01. And let's go ahead and look at the order once again. And let's go ahead and view details of my order history. It was a chicken taco, chicken with soft flour tortilla, black beans, fajita veggies, roasted chili corn salsa, fresh tomato salsa, white rice, tortilla on the side. There was absolutely no chicken on the taco. It was minuscule amount of white rice, black beans. There was no fajita veggies. There was no roasted chili corn salsa, and there was a minimal amount of fresh tomato salsa and very small amount of white rice. It was pretty pathetic, to be honest with you. So within the app, I actually went to under order, and it said rate this order, and I rated the order number 1. You don't have to do that for this particular thing, but top left is going to be that little kind of figure. Top left, once again, hit that. This is going to go to your page right here. You got 37 points, and then go all the way down at the bottom. Not all the way down at the bottom, but right there. Need help, right there, kind of in the middle of your screen, right above sign out. It says chat with Pepper. So all I did is I clicked on this. This is their AI tool, and it says, hey Chris, you got to agree to this, and you start this chat, right? And you'll have to give them some details. The order was wrong. You give them your order number, they'll pull it up. You tell them there was an item missing in it. I won't go through all that because I just literally went through it, but you just tell them the truth, tell them what was missing, and literally the AI robot. Let's go back here. I mean, it was very quickly. Now let's go on my rewards. And the good news, ladies and gentlemen, with Pepper, the AI tool, because I told her what was the issue, there was missing things in my order. AI Pepper literally gave me right below 37 points. You see a free entree. I'm not going to click on it because it's a scannable QR code with a redemption, and I'll probably post this video before I redeem it. So obviously I don't want anybody to redeem my free entree. But so I tap on that and I can scan it in a Chipotle restaurant for the free entree, or there is a valid code you put in on the app for that as well. Let's go ahead and look at the terms and conditions. For one use time only, valid at participating Chipotle restaurants for one free burrito bowl, salad, quesadilla, or order of tacos. And it expires 30 days after being added to your account. So yeah, they goofed up. That was their bad. But I got to make a video about it. And now I actually legitimately can get a full size burrito. Because what I actually had to do is I actually had to get out all my super healthy organic stuff inside the fridge, dump it in the burrito, and have a burrito tonight. I'm going to save this for a really good surfing session, and afterwards I'm going to redeem that. So if Chipotle messes up on your order, do the AI chat just like I showed you with Pepper. Tell them what's missing or wrong with your order, and Pepper, the AI agent, automatically gave me a free entree. Obviously, if you misuse this, they're going to know and they're not going to do anything about it. And please be honest about this. Obviously, track all this so they're going to know if you're up to no good. And we'll be back with you for the legitimate one when they stuff me to the McGillicuddies. Chipotle $4 burrito hack, take 2. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Chipotle, you're killing me, man. You're killing me, Chipotle. I wasn't going to sit there and argue with them. So I scanned my rewards. I scanned the free entree. Instead of ordering it through the app, which you should only order it through the app, they waxed me a chicken. See, it says plural tacos. It should have been one taco. Anyway, I'm not going to argue with him. So he rings me up and he's like 11 something. And I was like, nah, man, I got a $4 taco burrito hack and a free entree. And he's like, oh, no. It took off the cheapest thing. And then the manager is like, it's $9.31. And I was like, talking about, bro? It should be $4.01 and a free entree. So Chipotle waxed me, so I'm gonna complain again. I'm like, brah. So don't go in store, at least this one. Like, it just, I mean, they were very chill about it. But sometimes, man, come on, people. Like, your boy's hungry a little bit. And again, I'm not a complainer, but it should have been $4.01. Same exact thing. Free burrito with the entree, but they waxed me $5.30 for the burrito. $5.30. Again, it's a big burrito for $5.30, but it should have been $5.30 cheaper. So I'm going to complain again over the app and see what they can do. Maybe maybe give me another entree. Don't know if they're gonna do that with 2 complaints back to back, but we gotta work on our customer service a little bit here, folks. We gotta work on our customer service. But on a side note, now the guy serving me up, man, he was a chill little, like, you know, like almost like high school kid, and he was getting a little skimpy. He was getting a little skimpy with the rice and with the beans, man. I'll be honest with you. And then I'm like, carne asada. He's like, oh man, we're out. And I was like, all right, well, you got more? Oh man, that's 2 fails back to back for this Chipotle. Come on, Chipotle Waco, let's get in the program, baby. Let's get with the program. And that's the Chipotle by the In-N-Out Burger. Come on, Chipotle. I mean, am I complaining for, you know, whatever? Yeah, I guess I am complaining, but this is part of the process. But the $4 burrito hack, which should be $4, is a true, like, it's legit. Like, they gave me a good sized portion, and I'm gonna show that. They just goofed up the charge, that's all. The guy must have typed it in wrong, I don't know. Did he ring me up for 3 tacos? Yeah, something fishy going on there. So I'm gonna complain over the app, see if I can get a refund. Let's go, baby. The younger cat that was serving up the food, he actually did hook me up on the meats, but got a little skimpy on the rice and beans. So, I mean, if you're gonna have one or the other, I guess I'd rather have more meats. Get the meats. But what you gotta do though is you gotta have customer service, man. People have to enjoy their jobs and just hire good people like Trader Joe's, man. Just people that are not like, you know, kind of like, yo, bro, I'm just here, you know, I'm just doing my thing, I'm just making money, trying to make my cheese. Like, no, like, give them incentives to work. The people at Waco Surf, they like thoroughly enjoy their job and they give them really good incentives. If you write them a Google review, they get $50. Heck yeah, $50. So I wrote a guy a review. He asked me and I wrote him a review. Heck yeah, man. Ask and you shall receive. All right, let me show you what the $4 burrito hack is supposed to look like. After, once again, fail number 1, this is what 1 taco is supposed to look like. Just loaded the McGillicuddies. And then with the added on tortilla, again, I have the taco tortilla in there as well. And that makes up a really nice burrito. Wrap that sucker up. It's gonna be a thick burrito. I mean, that's literally the proper size of a Chipotle burrito. I just literally had one. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So, good on you, Chipotle, for making it right. Technically, now they gave me another free entree. And sometimes, you know, if they can't do it in store, obviously in store is so much easier. I had to email them. A photo of the receipt. It only took a few minutes. But again, I chatted with their AI agent, Pepper, and then they transferred me into a live agent because I did the order in store, not over the app. It is a lot easier doing it over the app than in store. But I just wanted to see if there was a difference, if they loaded me up with more protein, etc. Burritos were absolutely fantastic. Now, technically, even though they gave me another free entree, which is going to be another burrito probably next Sunday night. Problem is I already paid $5.30 for the previous one. So technically this free one is only going to be like half off. So it is what it is. I don't go to a Chipotle, but since I'm here, I'm crushing calories, I'm surfing a lot. It's a better cheap meal than a lot of other junk, macaroni and cheese with yellow dye and all that other stuff. So I'll save that for a week from this Sunday. Anywho, or potentially the Sunday after that, because it expires 1 month from when they goofed up the order. Anywho, $4 burrito hack was accomplished tonight, but they got the price wrong. So technically that's 2 fails for Chipotle in a row. Again, customer service. But anyway, good on you, Chipotle, for giving me at least a free entree for messing that up, because obviously they know you're probably going to go with your friends. You're probably going to spend more money. They'll throw you a free entree. No worries. They'll throw you a free burrito because you're probably going to get a drink. You're probably going to add on guacamole, which costs extra. It's not included. It's in the terms and conditions. Chipotle $4 burrito hack, take 3. 3 tries this time. Let's go, baby. All right, so there are some nice people working there, so I'm not trying to get everyone, throw them under the bus. The manager's super nice, but Chipotle Waco, Texas, you guys got to get it under control. Corporate, you need to switch some things up. I'll be straight up honest with you. You got employees pumping rap music, saying the F word, employees rapping with it while they're making food in the back, and it's a crap show. I'm just gonna be honest with you, it's a crap show. It would not make me as a customer want to go in there, and that's the second time I've been in there during just like vulgar rap music. Like, nah, we don't do that. Baylor Christian University right next door. Most of your people coming in are from Baylor. Chipotle, you need to break it down a little bit. Also, on a side note, I'm tired. I'm tired of complaining. You know, it's like, I definitely won't be back to Chipotle in a long time. Chipotle, you failed 3 times trying the $4 burrito hack. 3 times. I opened it up, and instead of a side burrito tortilla that I ordered for 50 cents, they gave me an extra taco tortilla. And I'm just too tired and hungry to go back inside and get my burrito thing on the side. So it just, they're not paying attention to the order. Again, a couple of the employees super nice, but if I was working there and my coworkers were playing rap music with vulgar language, like, nah, I'm not all about that. And I mean, it's not like they have it low volume. Like, they're pumping that music pretty good. I don't get it. I don't get it. That's definitely not good ambiance. And maybe because it is, it's 8 o'clock? They're still open till like 9 o'clock, probably. Maybe. I mean, hey, if there's no customers, you're not open anymore, and you're cleaning, whatever, you know? That's your business. No customers are there. But when customers are coming in, hearing rap music with foul language, like, what if you brought your kids in? There was a young couple that came in, looked like they were Baylor students. Like, we don't need to hear that crap. I'm sorry. I'm being straight up honest with you. That music is crap. The lyrics and the foul language, you don't need to listen to that. And don't subject us to hearing that. I mean, they've done multiple studies on like just angry people that listen to that music. I saw a kid walking down the street the other day, and he's just like angry, and he's throwing his hands and he's rapping this music while he's listening on his phone. And like, why do you want to be angry like that? You're like, Chris, you're kind of angry. Nah, it's just kind of like, that's not how business is done. Like, get it together, Chipotle. I'll be honest with you. Chipotle Waco is probably the worst Chipotle I have ever been to. Messing up orders just regarding ambiance. I wouldn't want to dine in there. Heck no. I would literally sit outside in the cold if it was cold. It's not cold today, but I'd rather sit outside in the cold than be subject to that crap. Straight up. Get it together, Chipotle. Get it together. And now I gotta complain again. And you know what? I'm gonna do it just because. And to be honest with you, you're probably gonna give me another free entree for messing up my order. But I'm gonna be honest with you, like, I don't even want to go back. I would only go back on a cheat day anyway. Get better ingredients, get organic food, do things all around better, my friend. I'm hungry. Let's go eat. Alrighty, on a side note, my burrito was very nice. Carne asada burrito. That was the free entree. That was very delicious. That was my specifications over the app, and I appreciate that. All right, let's look at, now I already did in the car once again, but let's look at Chipotle burrito, $4 burrito hack. Take 3, fail. Okay, let's go ahead and see what we got here. I'm not really sure what that was. I already did see this. Kind of weird. I'm not really sure what that is. Okay, so in person, I'm just going to be honest with you. I think you get more bang for your buck if you do it in person. There's a pretty decent amount of meat in there, though. Rice is looking a little skimpy. That is chicken. Fork on the inside. Don't need that. And instead of a side tortilla, I'm going to have to, for the app, they gave me a taco tortilla. So that is definitely a fail for a burrito. I can't wrap the whole thing in this. And I'm not going to eat another tortilla. So let's go ahead and throw that out of the way. Obviously, I could have gone inside, showed them the order, got my tortilla. It is what it is. But let's get this out so you can see this a little bit better. See if this is comparable. That's actually, I mean, that's decent. Pretty stuffed, pretty good. So pile all that in the corn salsa. Yeah, pretty decent amount of corn salsa. Lettuce. Yeah, all right. I give that to them. All they just missed is the tortilla. You pile all that into a tortilla, which should be a burrito tortilla. Wrap that sucker up and you got yourself stew. Anyway, I'm Chris, and that is the Chipotle $4 burrito hack. Fail, take 3. Don't think I'm going to do it again for a take 4. But I do give that to them. That's actually a lot of ingredients. That would actually make a bigger burrito than my carne asada burrito that I ordered. I'm going to be honest with you. Sure, I can make 2 tacos out of it, but it was for filming purposes, and I don't really want to eat another tortilla.